network, new society, empire, reality, ever changing. It's a rally, relay around the circuit. Take turns to change the chain. Excruciation, deep sanity in the rain. When I'm seeing with clarity, blindness of the modern age. We're trapped in this trance, and this trance is a rhythm. Weekdays, routines, the day's my fever. Incessant, relentless, unstoppable. When does it end? Never. Replays again and again and again. It's always different. This picture frame of the sea, see-through figures playing a game of physicality. The furniture is created by the mind, curvature of these times. I'm learning to become my own pine tree, sugar dropping from the skies. Hysteria, it's all fine, like metamorphosis through silk sheets. Green screen on the nature's scream, electrify you in a stream, river of the eternal, manifest in your exercises. I fall and I rise, one vision of the higher tides, people and the land is my shrine, fig trees, black butterflies, mirror images in the sea spray. How long will I stay? Peck me apart and fly away. My memories are from the dark ages, land of gold within the cliff face, horror and insanity. They want to lose their minds at the gate, intricately celebrate, delicately devastate. My moon landing was a state of freedom in the crashing waves. Long time they had us wound.
Say fire where you run to.